Oh my God. This is stuck. Abigail, this is stuck in her hair. Here. Do not want to cut your hair, Abigail. Play with this mustard bottle.
We're finally out of her hair, everyone. Okay, everyone, Mommy's getting that car out of her hair. Mommy could do it. Kids, the robot is sleeping. Kitty did.
Kitty. Hey, Abigail, you try this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she isn't. And look at her feet, they're dirty. Mommy's filming, but I'm filming.
How did this happen to Abigail? Did you wheel this on her hair?
No.
How did this happen?
It happened before she crawled on her hair and then something grabbed her hair. Like a tire grabbed her hair.
Yeah, you don't put this on her head. Did you put this on her head?
No. Look how good Mommy is. Look how good Abigail is. That monster bottle.
I can't believe she's not crying. I'd be screaming by now. If this was me, because I have a very sensitive head. You don't ever do this in your sister's hair. Do you understand?
Yeah. I didn't do it.
Where'd the mustard go? Give it to her.
There it is. Here it is, Abigail.
It's like it goes all sorts of ways in here. Don't know which way is which. I think I've already ripped some of her hair out.
She drops it.
Well, I had to rip most of her hair out. Probably can't see it. Hopefully you can't see it. It's a little fuzzy where it happened. That was not cool at all. But she has no pain feelers in her head because she just went right along with it.
Please subscribe to the channel and check out the channel. the other channels. We make videos every day. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.